Hello all. Market is dominated these days by number of AI applications, right? The artificial intelligence applications, and on the same scale, we see that the manufacturers are coming with a wide range of processors, starting from the mobile, the desktop, and then the server-based application segments where these AI processors can be used, right? So just by looking at the AI processor, what is the performance of it cannot be told simply, right? If a guy who has more of a microcontroller background and he or the processors in the olden days, and he is moving towards the latest AI processor, just by looking at the metric, it's very difficult to say what is its performance. So now in this video we are just going to tell about one metric which is used by the manufacturers all across, where based on it you decide as the first thing whether this particular processor has a high performance or not. Before going to it, we all know about the MIPS, MOPS and flops, right? So if we have worked on processors, the million instructions per second is what is declared by different manufacturers, and this is used as one of the metric while choosing the processors. Now with this high performance AI chips in the market, does the MIPS still hold good? Because the processing power has increased. When we say the processing power has increased, definitely the number of instructions which can be executed per second increased, right? That's what we mean. Processing power is nothing but where it can process typical tasks. That is one thing, and also it is much faster in evaluating those tasks, right? In processing those tasks. So what is the measure for this? Definitely the users would be using for such metric to choose their chip, and AI processors are specifically measured based on TOPS. So the MIPS have gone, now we are talking about the TOPS. Trillions of operations per second is the actual measure. So you take any processor, AI processor that is being released in the market, they first talk about the number of TOPS which that specific AI processor can deliver, and that is used as a measure to calculate to determine the performance of that. So again, the features, the internal architecture, that again matters, but at a first level of determining the performance of the AI processor, TOPS stands first always for the users.